Hey everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I'm going to take a look at this phone stand and wallet compatible with MagSafe on the iPhone 12 series. This is from a company called MOFT, M-O-F-T. Now, I do have to apologize. I don't know what happened to this thing. It was shipped in a kind of a FedEx, a FedEx pack and got totally smashed up. So I do apologize for the look of the actual packaging here. So this is kind of a compatible MagSafe wallet, I guess you would say, for the iPhone 12 series. It's made out of a vegan leather, and you can do a bunch of different modes. So you can have a portrait mode, a landscape mode, what they call a floating landscape mode. It has a 3-card wallet, and it's MagSafe wireless charging compatible, etc. And there's also a magnet or a piece of metal that has a sticky back that you can put somewhere, maybe in your car or somewhere else, and then this can stick to that. So a couple different ways to use it, and what we're going to do today is just kind of take a look at it, put it on the phone, and basically just check it out. Now I do have to thank MOFT for sending this over to the channel for an unboxing and this kind of quick look review. I do appreciate that. So this is just, the packaging is just really kind of hard to get off. But anyways, so here's what the wallet looks like. If you take a look here, you can see it's kind of like an origami looking type of deal. So it kind of folds up a few different ways, or contorts, I guess, a few different ways depending on how you want to use it as a stand. But here, as you can see, there's a card slot, so you can put some cards in the card slot. And then otherwise it's similar looking, I guess, to the Apple ones, right? And this vegan leather, it looks really nice. I mean, it looks like real leather. Seems to be pretty well made with stitching and all of that. Here's my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and you can see it just kind of will position itself on the phone, kind of like you would expect. It's pretty strong. It's not going to fall off, I don't think. And then you have a couple different ways to do this. So you can do it like this, and I guess this would be like the portrait stand mode. So if you kind of look from that perspective, you can see here we'll stand like that. So that's a portrait mode, so it stands up, and then you can also then just do a horizontal by just flipping it to the side like that, as you can see. Let me zoom in a little bit here. So you can see this. Now it's kind of like a horizontal mode. And then if you turn it sideways, you kind of get this thing where it can float. So then put it like this, and then it's like a floating landscape. So as you can see, the phone is actually off the surface. So pretty cool. Let me grab a couple cards. So if you open it up a little bit, just by pulling this down, then you can put the cards in. So it's harder to do when it's on the phone, but you know, you can just slide the cards in. And then obviously you can take this off the phone, throw it in your pocket if you want. Access the cards really quick here, which is nice. When it's back on the phone, still sticks pretty well. You can access it here if you want to get the cards out here. It does add just a little bit more, obviously, to the overall thickness of the phone when you have the cards in, but it's not terrible. So overall, I think this is pretty good alternative. If you're looking for something that has a little bit more functionality than the Apple MagSafe wallet, you know, kind of with this whole stand contraption on there, this is definitely something you might want to take a look at. As for probably around the same price, if not, I have to double check the price, but I'm assuming around the same price, you can get a lot better kind of out of the box functionality with this MOFT wallet than you can with the Apple one. So definitely something you might want to take a look at if you're in the market for a MagSafe wallet for your iPhone 12. If you have any questions, go ahead and post those below. I will link to this in the description so you can find out more about it. This is Andrew from TS for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.